A hiccup starts with a sudden, involuntary contraction of your diaphragm. This muscle helps control your breathing, but sometimes it misfires. When it contracts too quickly, air rushes into your lungs. At the same moment, your vocal cords snap shut, creating the familiar hic sound. Scientists still aren't completely sure why this happens, but it may be linked to irritation in the nerves that control breathing. So a hiccup isn't random. It's a tiny glitch in one of the most important systems keeping you alive.